What's going on, world? Back with another video, real quick. This is just an update. Someone asked me what's the difference between Webull and CoinBase. Webull is a trading platform. You do not own your crypto. You cannot send it or receive it. If you come into the Webull and you buy Bitcoin, nowhere in here will you see where you can send it to your wallet, send it to your hardware wallet or whatever, take it off the exchanges and put it in safekeeping, a safety deposit box or safe or whatever you want to do. The only thing you can do in here is come in and place an order and hold your crypto here. You don't really own it. You just trade it for it. It's like a stock, quote unquote. Coinbase, though, you can actually, as you see in the top right hand corner, you can actually send it off and receive it. You actually have ownership of it. So you can do whatever you want to do with it. An exchange is just a place where you take your fiat or money into and exchange it for whatever coin that you want. After you've exchanged it, do you own it? Is it physically yours? Can you do what you want to do with it? On Webull or Robinhood, at this point, no, you cannot. You can just look at it. Goes up, you can sell it or whatever you want to do with it as far as trading, go long or short on it. But basically over here in Coinbase, you can send or receive. So you actually have ownership. Custodial ownership, meaning that they actually have the keys to it and they're holding it for you, but you can send it off. Non-custodial means that you have complete control of your own wallet, the keys to it, and it's yours. That's where MetaMask comes into play. The coins that I have over here um, originally came from Coinbase. I sent them from there to here, and now I can do whatever I want to. I can go to Aave or any other Web3 website and interact with it, whether or not it's deposited, yield farming, or whatever I want to do. So when you come in here, just know that let's take Ethereum for example. I came in, I bought Ethereum 1, I staked it, it's mine, I can do what I want to. Over here on Webull, there's none of that. Robinhood, there's none of that. You can buy it, you can trade it, but there's no staking, there's no generating passive income or anything like that. So that's one of the differences. Now, when I say staking, I want to go into detail a little bit more. When you come into Coinbase to buy Ethereum, you will not see Ethereum 2. So let's just do a purchase real quick. As you'll see here, I'm buying Ethereum, not Ethereum 2. This is the first version of Ethereum. They have not upgraded yet, but it's coming. So if you buy Ethereum, you can then come over here and let's go to overview, and you can go down to slide down a little bit and you can stake that Ethereum and earn up to 4.5 APR just by having it on the platform and staking it. Now, you cannot use it until the Ethereum 2 version comes out. And then at that time, you'll be able to sell, trade, and do whatever you want to do with it. But if you stake it, just know that you can't get it back out until the second version comes out. It goes into further details and explains it as you go through the process. But just so that you'll know, this is a way that you can generate passive income instead of just watching the price go up and watching the price go down. Even though it's kind of fun to watch you do that, just know that if you want to earn a little bit and put a little bit more sauce on top of it, you can also stake it. Okay. So basically, that's the difference between Webull and Coinbase. Webull is a trading app. Coinbase is an exchange. Got it? Pause for effect. Now, if you did want to look at or trade similar to what you can do over on Webull, you would want to go ahead and pull up Coinbase Pro. Same login that you use for Coinbase is the same one that you would use for Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro gives you a different feel, gives you the order book, you can see trade history, and you can do market, and you can also do limit orders over here. What's the difference between a market order or a limit order? Market just means that you buy it at the current price, wherever it settles at or wherever they sell their transaction at, that's what you pay. You don't know what it is definitely going to be because you know how crypto does. Prices fluctuate up and down. But when you want to do a limit order, that means that you set the price that you want to get it at, whether or not it's buying or selling it. So if you've already bought it and you want to sell it, you can set a limit. You can set a limit order to sell at a certain price. If you're coming in and you want to buy, you just set your price. If it hits that price, you get it for that price. It's a version of maker taker. Won't go too far into that, but just giving you an idea. Some of the terminology, some of the terminology that we use in this space. So basically, that gives you an idea of the difference between Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase. Coinbase gives you custody, allows you to get custody of your crypto. Webull and Robinhood is just for trading, like if you were a stockbroker or something like that, just making trades. So basically, that's the difference. So keep in mind, you have Coinbase. You also have a Coinbase wallet where you can take it off the exchange and hold it in your wallet on your phone, or you can leave it on the exchange and you can stake it and earn interest with it. If you wanted to do a trade for a lower price than what you're paying on the exchange, you can open up Coinbase Pro and get a little bit more technical as far as doing market or limit orders or things of that nature. It just gives you a general overview of the difference between Coinbase, Webull, and Robinhood. So, you have any questions? Hit me up. I got you. Wow.